Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. We are going to look at the blocks I have done on this baby clothes quilt, and later I'm going to take them to work with me and lay them out in the big room and see where I stand and how many more I need to do. So here's this one. They're all just so cute, so very, very cute. This one, I'm going to trim as I go, just because then I won't have to do it later, theoretically. Or not, it might slow me down. It might slow me down. This won't stay. I need to like really, really press that. These yellow ones are so, just so. Here's Winnie the Pooh. Most of these are 22 inches wide. I ended up just going with that. I have a few that are 18, so those will go together like down the side or something. This was way cool with this embroidery. I see a pin in that one. That one was 18 inches wide. This reminds me of a dress my daughter had that my mother gave her. That needs pressed again. Pressing will be done. This one I had to piece the block behind it. This also reminds me of something my daughter had. Oh, good thing I'm doing this. Look at these pins. These, I left the little toes sticking. This is another Winnie the Pooh. Did I put both the Winnie the Poohs on this? I didn't do that on purpose, but that's okay. And this is the last one I have for now. And I have one that's almost done in the sewing machine. I think that's 14, but I have a few outfits left. So we'll get to work and we'll lay them out and see what happens. So I walked off and did not take these to work with me. So I am upstairs in my storage spot. And this is where I'm at. I have one more that might fit there on the machine. And I might get away with one more here. And then I have the uncle stuff for the back. I don't know. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gosh dang it, quit shaking, Rebecca. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 12. I need 13. I need a little short one right there. That red one up there needs filler strips on the top and bottom. See, it's going to be kind of asymmetrical because that yellow one there needs them on the sides to make it the right width. But I think it's going to be fine. So now let me show you something. I've tried for years to get these to bloom. You have to withhold water for like 6 to 8 weeks. Do not water them. This was my problem. I watered them every week. When you withhold the watering and then you start to water them, they're like desert plants, you know. The desert blooms after it rains finally. These should bloom all summer for me. We'll see. I just have to hold back on the watering a little bit. And so I brought this up from downstairs because I needed to put my new bed up. But yeah, just fix a few things, add a few strips, finish that one. I think it's going to be fine. I think it's going to be fine. So this concludes this video of the baby clothes quilt update. I'm feeling confident. Thank you.